Two powerful earthquakes struck Indonesia yesterday, unleashing a wave of chaos and concern among the affected residents. The initial seismic event occurred in the early morning hours, with its epicenter located in the sea, a short distance from the coast near the island of Halmahera. This unsettling event registered a magnitude exceeding 7 points on the Richter scale, causing intense tremors that prompted many residents to hastily flee their homes in search of safety. The second earthquake, striking on the same day, added to the unfolding crisis. Its epicenter was also at sea, but this time closer to another part of the island. The magnitude of the second seismic event was similarly high, surpassing 6 points on the Richter scale. This additional shockwave left some areas without power due to infrastructure damage, with reports flooding in about buildings and roads being adversely affected. In response to the crisis, schools and hospitals have temporarily suspended their operations, prioritizing the safety of the people. Temporary shelters have been established for those who lost their homes in the calamity. Authorities caution of potential consequences, emphasizing the need for vigilance among the affected communities. The government, recognizing the severity of the situation, is directing all available resources towards urgently restoring the affected regions. Specialists and geologists are diligently working to analyze the causes and potential consequences of these earthquakes. The country's emergency services remain in constant coordination, monitoring the safety of the population and ensuring a unified response to this dual seismic crisis.